Today, in an attempt to make the work life easier, we are going to talk about a good versus a bad objective. Before we can say which ones are good and which ones are bad, you might want to know what they are first. In essence, an objective is just something you want to complete in a quarter. So, now that we have a little better description, let's go over how to tell which ones are good and which ones are not. For an example, we're going to go with the objective, update pricing model in preparation of next quarter's growth. This is what we would call a good objective, and there are three main reasons why. First, we have the action. What exactly is it that you're doing? For this objective, you're updating the pricing model. Next, we have the result. What's going to come of the work that you've done? For this one, it's create growth. And the time frame. How long is it going to take, or when will this be completed? Now, let's try writing it poorly. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty poor. Prepare for growth. Well, we have an action, but what are we preparing for? What's happening? And where's the timeline? This kind of objective can throw off the entire team. Now your team is out buying larger pants to prepare for personal growth. Writing clear objectives helps teams stay connected. MyObjectives.com